I thought it might be fun to show you what I'm packing for my big 2-week art trip. Art panels, Arches watercolor paper mounted, Arches watercolor hot press block, a 12 by 16 cold press block. And all of these panels will go in here, and then I'll close this side up. Next, I'm packing gouache. So my standard palette is this one. It has a dinosaur on it, and I made a double. So those are my main palettes. I can switch back and forth, and I have backups. A set of paints. Then I also put in here a airline thing just in case. Then I take some extra little palettes. My room is small that I've customized. It's heavy, but it pretty much has any color you can imagine in this set. Let's talk about palettes. I really love the Stay Wet palette for gouache, as well as this one, which I can just clip right onto my easel. I'm gonna take extra sheets and an extra sponge, sunscreen, a little squirty bottle. I usually keep stickers as a business card and a sticker of a viewfinder. I have a grayscale and is also a great straight edge, a rubber eraser, and then a sketchbook. So in here, I keep all my little extra pencils and stuff, lots of different clips and a little bungee cord, water containers that collapse, and these two clips, a raincoat, lights, for painting at night, as well as backup batteries. I have a couple of my favorite little paint cloths in here. My pochade, I just use a little Yugo pochade, a tripod shelf, a tripod. This is a small Tika Ranger. This is a gardening mat. I love it. This is a video camera. I gotta have a hat. Tape. I've gotta have artist tape. We've got the umbrella. I have a sketchbook, mirror, and then brushes. Those are my art supplies for 2 weeks.